Welcome to Startup Space. This short video tutorial will show a user how to edit their profile. You can either begin editing your profile from the member journey on the homepage, or you can select your name to go to your profile in the upper right-hand corner. When you select your name, you'll see the information filled out in your profile. Or you can select Edit Profile and continue to add or change information. Please feel free to fill out areas such as your persona, your areas of interest, expertise, and how you want to be involved in the Hub in order to have a more customized experience throughout the platform. We also recommend checking the Active Community Member box, indicating that you're willing to be contacted by other members of the Hub through Startup Space. Once you are done editing your information, select Update Profile. You will then be brought back to your profile page to show you the successful updates made to your information. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us at helpdesk@startupspace.app.